Hello students, today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is solutions. Last year you learn about the, we can say, mixtures one. The mixtures is a combination of two or more substances. For example, air is a mixture of gases, rock is a mixture of two or more minerals, and so on. So initially, in the initial stage, we learn about that mixtures are classified into two, that is two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. Let us see homogeneous mixture means what. Homo means same, geneous means phase. Here the mixture, in the mixture, the whatever constituents are there, whatever that it contains, that materials are there, that are in the same phase. Suppose if I say the uh, after dissolving the, we can say, salt in water, we get only one phase, that is liquid state. So that mixture, here salt is dissolved in water, salty water, we can say it is a homogeneous mixture. Now for heterogeneous mixture, the both the substances mix, but they are not with the, we can say, same phase, that is heterogeneous. For example, if I mix kerosene and oil, kerosene and water, we would see the two, we can say that the different layers, one oil layer and one water level. So here both the substances do not get mixed one, that is a, we can say, heterogeneous mixture. Even suppose if I take the soil and water, then we see the two layers, soil layer and water layer, it is a heterogeneous mixture. So there we can say that the homogeneous and heterogeneous. If we say homogeneous mixture, the homogeneous mixture is called true solution, and these true solutions, they contain the, we can say, the two substances, it is called binary solution. The one solution, the one substance which is in the small quantity, that is called solute, and another substance which is in more quantity, that we call as solvent. So solution, true solution is made up of, we can say, solute and solvent. Then if we see the, suppose we can say that the um, types one, the, now depending on the nature of solute, and we can say that the solvent one, nature of solvent one, whether the, we can say, solute or solid, or solute is, we can say, liquid, or solute is gas, or even solvent also solid, liquid or gas, depending on the nature of the solute and solvent, there are nine types of the solutions. Let us see one by one what are, which are the, these nine types of the solutions. The, in the first one, the first, we can say, solid in solid means, here the solid solute is also solid, and solvent also, we can say that the solid one, both are solid. Example, I would say the alloys where the mixture of the, we can say that the two solids one. So suppose if I say the copper and tin get mixed and form bronze, so here there is a mixture of both the, we can say that the solids one, that is a, we can say it is a solid in solid. Second is there solid in liquid. Means suppose if we dissolve sugar in water, so it is called as the solid in liquid. Means here solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Then the solid in gas. Here we can keep the, we can say, the naphthalene balls in air, or iodine substance in the air. So what happens? They get sublimates one. So that is the, we can say, the sublimating substances, if we keep in the atmosphere, they goes into gaseous state. So here that is a solid in gas. Then the fourth type is there, that is the liquid in liquid. So example, suppose the, we can say here, alcohol dissolved in water. This alcohol is liquid state, and water also liquid state, both get mixed, that is a liquid in liquid. Then liquid in solid, if suppose we can say the mercury is there, mercury is in liquid state and sodium is in solid state. If it mix, it form the amalgam, that is called sodium amalgam. For the, we can say, filling the gaps in the teeth, that way they use the doctors use, that is the sodium amalgam, that is the liquid in solid. And then sixth one is there, that is a liquid in gas, where if we keep the suppose chloroform in the nitrogen gas one, that time it is called as the liquid in gas. Then the seventh type is there, that is the gas in liquid. If suppose if you see the this um, soda soda water, we are saying that in that the carbon dioxide is there, it is get mixed with the this water one, so that is the liquid gas in liquid. Eighth type is there, that is gas in solid. This hydrogen is adsorbed on the, we can say, catalyst like palladium. So here hydrogen is in gaseous state and palladium is a solid state, that is called a gas in solid. And last one is the gas in gas. So air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. These are all the, we can say that the this gases one, they mix and forms air. So here this gas in gas, here solute is, we can say that the this hydrogen, this water vapor, then nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the solvent is there, empty, that it forms the air. The another, if suppose if we say nitrogen is 78% is it, it's total 100% volume, in that we can say the 7 nitrogen is solute and remaining all the constituents they form the air, that we call as a, we can say, the gas one. So it is called gas in gas. Like this there are the 9 types of the solutions are there. So you go through the videos again, see all the what are types one, what do you mean, what do you understand about these homogeneous solutions and heterogeneous solution, and also define what is meaning of mixture one. Then find out the types of the, we can say, solutions, their examples, you may find different example also. So read the lesson as well as see the this video and write the homework. Okay, thank you.